Hello there guys, welcome to Hell Let Loose. If you're new to this game, you probably just spawned in, got shot within 5 seconds and now you're wondering what the hell am I supposed to do now? In this video, I'll cover everything you need to know to start playing without getting completely lost. How the game modes work, which roles you should pick as a beginner and how to communicate effectively, we have it covered in this video.
Hey, Team Echo team, what is y'all doing? Get up here, yo. We need you guys.
And some little essential tips to keep you alive longer. So this is one of the most popular games this year. It is a first-person shooter multiplayer game where literally everyone have fun playing it. It is not a new game, but since the pre-release on Epic Games, this game became one of the pretty popular games. Because a lot of people that didn't have it tried it out when it was free and they realized that it's actually a good game, so they continue playing it. Which leads us today actually where a lot of new people that jump in the game, they expect to see a PvP first-person shooter, but they actually realize that there is much more into it. So this is the reason why we are making this video. If you are new, this video will be useful for you. So don't worry, I've been there, everybody of us been there, getting shot in the first 5 minutes. You're gonna die a lot in this game, so be prepared for a little bit suffering until you realize how the ropes work actually in this game. So this game has a steep learning curve, but once you understand the basics, it's one of the most immense and rewarding shooters out there. So let's jump right into it. First thing, what are you even doing here and how does this game work? So Hell Let Loose is all about large-scale battles, which last for hour and so, some 40 minutes, it realizes when you jump in. It is up with 100 players on one massive map, which is very big. There are two main game modes. One is Warfare. Both teams start with control over part of the map. Your goal over here is to push the enemy back and capture all sectors. Simple, but not really. We're gonna get there. Offensive. One team is attacking, the other is defending. Attackers must capture sectors in order, while defenders do everything they can to stop them. In both modes, teamwork is everything. Running around solo will get you killed fast, of course. So stick with your squad, stick with your teammates, communicate and play the objective. Number 2. Picking your role. Don't be that guy. Hell Let Loose has a lot of roles, but if you're just starting out, don't jump straight into the commander or tank crew because everybody will hate you. Literally, you will not miss out on somebody yelling at you. So don't do this. When you pick up the certain points that you need to become a commander or a tank crew or a sniper, don't jump right into the role. Just be a support first and realize how the game works, see what others are doing, see their strategies, their approach, and when you be ready then use it. So don't jump right into those roles. One of the roles is also rifleman, basic infantry. Good for learning the game. You get ammo, resupplies and solid rifle. Medic, everybody will love you, literally. You revive the teammates and trust me, you'll be everyone's best friend. This is one of the good roles for beginners. Just don't charge into gunfire to save someone because it won't end up good for you. And neither for the guy that you want to help. Support is also one of the roles that you need to consider when you are beginning. You carry supplies, so engineers can build stuff. Easy role, but you need to know what supply is for what. We can cover that in the next video. If you're interested to know more, of course, let us know. And in this role, your team will appreciate everything you do. You just need to follow them. Literally, just follow your officer, follow the guys, what they're doing, and just you're gonna be fine with this role. Machine gunner is for all of you who want to blast everything that moves from afar, and it is very useful when you are a beginner, when you don't know where they are positioned, but you just hear them where they're shooting from. You just hide behind some rock, some bush or something, and you just start annihilating them. But be careful. So if you're holding down an area, you must make yourself less visible, and this will be very much appreciated from your teammates. You're gonna hold the line, you're gonna push, you're gonna have to be in front line, that's for sure. But it is good for the more aggressive players that are beginners in this game. So be mindful of positioning in this role and just literally be aware that the machine gun that you have makes a lot of noise and the first thing that you're gonna attract is the snipers on you. So be careful to be very good covered. So a big tip for beginners in roles: avoid commander, officer or tank crew or sniper until you get more experience. Not more points, more experience. Those roles require leadership, map knowledge, good communication, everything that you're gonna learn with playing the game. So if you're new, focus on infantry and on support. Number 3, communication. Talk or die.
Okay, real quick, before I join back in this amazing battle, I'm gonna figure out how to turn off push to talk.
Unlike most shooters, you actually need to talk to your team in Hell Let Loose. If nobody communicates, your team will get steamrolled.
Give me a second, I'm trying to figure out how to turn off push to talk. Push to talk.
There are 3 voice channels you need to know. The unit chat, talk to your squad, keep it relevant, nobody cares about what you had for lunch or what you did this day, just keep it relevant about the game.
I'm back and ready for battle. Oh, there's a dude in our back line, be careful.
Proximity chat, talk to nearby players, even outside your squad, it doesn't matter, just let them know when you spot a tank, when you spot the enemy, and you see nobody else is spotting them and rushing through them, you can use the proximity chat to literally help and to give away information to your people that are not only in your squad. Super useful when calling out enemy position. This is very useful chat, so don't forget it. Put it on a keybind that is comfortable for you. Command chat, used by officers and commanders. If you're not in one of these roles, don't worry about it.
Why isn't Captain Tiger talking?
I am talking. You guys not hear
Oh,
me?
there you go. Hold on. I didn't realize you were. Never mind. My bad.
At the very least, if you see enemies or tanks, call them out.
Alright, Chris, what you see?
I think it's a tank. Captain Tank, my position. Just press V or use any key binding on options. Put it where it's most comfortable for you on the keyboard and say enemy infantry south, behind the barn. Just don't forget to add location when you are calling enemies
I
out.
think I see where they're coming from. Northwest from me, 315 exactly. Like under some bridge or something. Yeah, there's not.
It is very appreciated in this game. So that's all it takes to help your team. Literally, communicating and a microphone. If you don't have a microphone, don't play this game. You're gonna need to communicate. So, number 4, map and respawning. Don't run across the whole map. That's for sure. Hell Let Loose has one of the biggest maps in the FPS games. But don't worry, that map is not for you to explore. You must stick to your team. You must watch where your team is and be around or with them. If you don't spawn correctly, you'll spend half of the match just running, not helping anyone, which is literally useless in this game, to be far from your teams. So here's what you need to know about maps. Outposts is squad-specific spawn points set by your officer. They're temporary and close to the front line, and you can use them to spawn in. Garrisons. Garrisons are also team-wide spawn positions that are put in the map later when you start progress through the map, so you can be closer to the enemy points. If you see one near the fight, use it right away. HQ spawns are the last and the first you're gonna use. You use the HQ spawns when everything else is destroyed and you need to come back to the line. So it is your team's main base. If you lose the HK spawns, you lose the game. Only use this if you have no other choice. Or enjoy running for 5 minutes if you use it in the middle with garrisons outposts out there. So always check the map, not only before respawning. While you're playing, while you're doing, while you're fighting, while you're thinking, use the map and see where everybody is moving. If you pick the wrong spawn, you literally will miss the whole mission and you can miss the whole fight entirely. Number 5, beginner tips for you guys out there. Stay alive as long as you can. Now that you know the basics, here are some quick tips that will help you survive longer. Stick with your squad. Running solo like a chicken without a head is a death sentence in this game. Move carefully. This isn't Call of Duty. If you sprint everywhere, you will get shot. Use cover and use the environment around you. Be careful in front of it! Oh my god. On the left, Soviet! Check your map often. Look at where your squad is, where the objective is, and where enemies are being reported.
Okay, I'm gonna see. Let me see.
Use your mic. Even a simple tank north of the church can change the game and help your teammates and your team to win. Don't waste ammo. Reloading too often or shooting wildly will leave you defenses when it matters. Most importantly, be patient. You will die a lot at first. It's normal, get used to it. Hell Let Loose is one of the most satisfying FPS games out there once you realize how it works. You're gonna see that it's not just shooting and hiding. It is a lot of thinking, a lot of communication, and among all of that, it's a lot of fun, especially when you play with your friends. So that's it for today, beginner's guide for Hell Let Loose, guys. Hopefully this helps you survive longer and contribute to your team as well and brings you more wins in Hell Let Loose and above all, most fun. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more guides and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the battlefield, soldiers. Don't let go! Medic is coming! Medic is coming!
You sound like a